I want to start off with this email that was sent in by Scott explaining his experience with the fog because we're going into the fog video segment right now. He goes on to say, "Hi, I'm Scott. This was from last night at my place in north central Alabama near Birmingham. There is snow on the ground from the night before, but this in the air is not snow. I went outside because I thought it was snowing again, but it was just dense fog, and it smelled like black powder. Are you serious right now?" So here we go. We're going to start this segment off with mysterious flashing lights in Dry Ridge, Kentucky. Check this out. I mean, this is creepy. Tracy W. driving down the highway January 3rd at 2:22 a.m. This video has a little bit of narration, but watch these lights out here. She's out on this big freeway in the middle of the night, and watch what happens.
And of course, I start video and it's not. There we go.
Pitch dark, with the exception of over in the opposite lane. Look at the freeway lights turning off and on. I mean, you've got to be kidding me. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Something is interfering with the flow of electricity at various places. This is affecting the entire freeway where she's driving at 2:20 in the morning. Right there, did you see that? All the lights went out, and the only thing that was left on right there was the tail lights of the truck in front of her. And if that truck had not have been there, it would have been absolutely pitch black in the middle of northern Kentucky. What is going on? No, seriously, what is going on? I've never seen this happen. There's something causing a glitch, and you can kind of see there's some sort of possible fog or something going on. Look how eerie this is. See the fog? So you have both fog and flashing lights in the same video. Going to north central Kentucky, yet again. Evie and Brian, January 10th, 2025. Check it out. Another service station over there, convenience store, going completely dark. Just like out on the freeway. Look at that. And if it weren't for the buildings next to it, the whole area over there would be completely dark. Why was it affecting just that building? Video number 3 over in Manchester, United Kingdom. Video sent in by Jason. Notice the flashing mysterious lights on the side of this big building here? They obviously don't normally flash. They're normally on steady. This is the first of 3 videos that Jason shared with me. Here's video number 2. I think this is the same building that we've seen now a couple of times. Lights flickering on and off. Here's another example of lights flickering on and off inside of a store. I don't know if this is a coffee shop or what's going on here, but either way, that was not normal. And now we're going to the freaky fog. I read you guys the email that was shared with me by Scott. Now we're going to the location in central Alabama. He noticed this on his security cameras, and at first, like he said in the email, he thought this was snow. Until he went outside, and he said it definitely was not snow, and it smelled like black powder. What? That is strange. Fog video number 2, West Virginia. Again, looked like snow, but wasn't snow. Video footage by Peggy R. Look at that. And you can tell it's not snow because it's not accumulating on the patio or the patio furniture. Yet another example of this freaky fog going up to Prospect, Oregon. This video has narration sent in by Steve K. from January 6th of 2025. Here we go.
Not snow. Fog. Weird. Weird. Fog. Weird.
Definitely not snow, more mysterious fog going from Oregon over to the United Kingdom. This video of mysterious fog has narration. Here we go.
Seriously, like, what is up with all this fog? I'm taking this from inside because I'm scared to go outside. That's absolutely horrible. And it's been snowing. It's just weird. That is not snow. That is fog. What the actual hell? Oh my God. Yeah. I'm going back inside.
People are actually kind of spooked by this stuff, and one gentleman said it smelled like black powder. This young lady here over in the United Kingdom was a little apprehensive about even going outside. She said it just looked kind of weird, and granted, it does look kind of weird. It looks like snow, but people are emphatic. They say this is definitely not snow. So the fog phenomenon continues. Going